Hello, this is Daryl for Monday, the 18th of April 2016. This is the DE Market Summary. So, the market's closed in positive territory today. What very good news for investors. So, what was our catalyst today? The catalyst was good earnings. So, we had some good earnings reports today. The most noteworthy was IBM. So, IBM today beat analyst estimates on revenue. Today, the company it showed that it had a shift from its traditional business of hardware to now going to high growth areas such as cloud-based services. And they started this a number of years ago, but now it's really starting to benefit results. And apart from going into these high growth areas, as you said, cloud-based services, they also are doing security software and also data analytics. Analytics. But apart from going into these high growth areas, what they're doing as well is they're trimming back or cutting back their spending on the other um, traditional businesses that they went to. As you said, hardware they went to, and a number of other things that just wasn't producing enough. They were very low margin businesses, and they decided to cut back on those. And what a major result today. So this is all thanks to the new chief executive, Jeannie Romity, over there in IBM. So kudos to IBM. The investors actually jumped on the stock, and it actually moved the whole markets today. So now that is coming after the big news that came out yesterday, which was partly what we reported last week, which was there was going to be a big meeting on Sunday, or there was a big meeting on Sunday with OPEC members. Russia and Saudi, even before the meeting, tried to create a deal going in to stop or freeze the production of oil. But it seems like all those talks came to naught in the meeting. There was no agreement made, and so all big producers left without an agreement. And in theory, that should actually bring down the markets. But it didn't happen. So really, the earnings report of IBM really bolstered the markets and kept it positive. This is a very good divergence from what was happening earlier in the year and last year, where every news that was based on oil and oil prices affected the markets and really took all the whole stock market down with it. But that didn't happen. So it's really proven the strength of the markets now. We could really see now that the markets have some real legs to it now, a real nice rally. So what did we have today? Well, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average, it was up 106.70 points to 18,004.16. So we haven't seen it this high in a long time. 18, right? 18,000. So that is showing the volume that there was today. There was a lot of people investing, and they were happy because it was positive. We also had the S&P 500 up 13.4 points today to close at 2094.34. The Nasdaq was up to 24.80 points to 4960.02 as well. The Nasdaq heavy trading today. So we had just a lot of positivity in the markets today, and actually we are now hearing that the U.S. markets are poised now for a rate increase because of the positivity that we are seeing. Still yet to be seen, right? But we are thinking that with the positivity that's happening in the markets, that the rally could continue. This rally that we saw today could continue for the rest of the week, right? But stay tuned, and we'll be breaking down the markets for you as it come. Okay? This is Daryl with the DE Market Summary. You have a good day.